Straight Talk is a mobile virtual network operator, or MVNO. This means it doesn't own its own network infrastructure. Instead, it uses the networks of major carriers like Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile. If you're seeing a not available message for your zip code, it's likely because none of the underlying carriers, Verizon, AT&T, or T-Mobile, have sufficient cell towers or infrastructure in your area. The signal strength you receive depends entirely on their network coverage. To address this, first check Straight Talk's coverage map on their website or app by entering your zip code. Also, verify the coverage using the carrier's official map, such as Verizon's if you have a Straight Talk Verizon plan. If your zip code lacks coverage, consider these fixes. First, try switching networks using Straight Talk's SIM swap program to see if AT&T, Verizon, or T-Mobile provides better coverage. Signal boosters can amplify existing signals, potentially improving reception indoors. Alternatively, explore Wi-Fi calling or use a mobile hotspot for data in areas with no signal. Keep your phone firmware updated and reset network settings for potential temporary fixes. If these options are not satisfactory, consider switching to a prepaid plan directly from AT&T, Verizon, or T-Mobile. Straight Talk offers assistance to port your number for free.